In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the discount as an Airbnb host. In total, there's 6 different discounts that you could apply to your listing. So let's jump right into it. Starting off with probably the 2 most popular discounts, and that's the weekly and monthly discounts. So if you go to your calendar and then on the right hand side under pricing, if you scroll down, you can see the weekly and monthly. If you click on one of them, you could then just slide it to increase or decrease it. You could also just type in what percentage in the box right there. Also, if you click on the arrow, it's going to give you an example of what the discount looks like, what the guest is going to see on their end. And then all you have to do is click save, and then that's it. You're going to do the same thing for the monthly as well. Underneath that, if you go to more discounts, we have 3 additional discounts. You have the early bird discount, last minute, and trip length. So early bird, you can do it whether they book it way in advance. So how many months, whether it's 4 or 5 or whatever you set, and then the discount. So this is just another way to incentivize a guest to book in your place, especially if it's booked way in advance. On the other side, you have the last minute discounts. So if you're unbooked and have no guests, a good way to attract more guests is a last minute discount. So you can set it how many days before arrival, whether it's like 2, 3. I would typically recommend anything less than about 4 or 5 days to really incentivize guests, and you could do anywhere from about 5 to 10% discount. And then the other one is the trip length discount. So we really like to incentivize guests to stay here a month or longer. There's a lot less turnover, less headaches, and we don't have to call the cleaners, so less expenses. So we already have a monthly discount applied, but I also like to do maybe 8 weeks out or 6 weeks, just to incentivize people to stay extra long at our Airbnb. So you could apply additional discount there. So the last discount we have are promotions. Now this is a great way if you want to do certain dates, you could apply a discount to those. So maybe if you have a low season or maybe the weekdays, you could apply a certain discount. And if you look below, it'll tell you based on what percentage you select as the promotion, it's going to actually advertise on your behalf, Airbnb. So depending on what you will get, maybe the first one is a new price line and a breakdown. It's going to strike through after that. And then if you increase it even more of a discount, it's going to have a special call out and actually email your guests. So I found this is one of the best ways to promote and have bookings to actually help you out from setting these different discounts and promotions. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more future videos.